Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are enjoying the volatility. Finally, these markets are moving and bouncing, so this is a great opportunity to make money. I'm going to be showing my new movements that I have been doing on Bitcoin. I'll be showing my Bitrex account as I usually do. I had also a short trade for Ethereum. It was a small one, but it's still profitable. I have been waiting and waiting all this time. I mean, all this like sideways movement, like there's not much you can do here. Then obviously you don't want to go long when it's crashing for the whole month of September. Anyways, been waiting and waiting, and now finally this thing is bouncing, moving up and down, and you can make profit both ways, as I'm about to show you. But first, let's take a look at the market cap. So we are right now at 169 billion, almost 170 again. Let's take a look at the chart. So since this red September finished, we have been in an uptrend. So as you can see, if we connect this low with this low and extend it, we get a trend line, uptrend line that was acting as a support, and it actually went all the way down here and it bounced on this line. Let's see what's going on here closer. So it bounced on our support line, and now it's bouncing off again, going down on this. We can draw a straight support here from this low to this low, and if we extend it, we are clearly bouncing off that, so we could be going a little bit lower from here on. I actually dropped this chart here on Photoshop, but I did this maybe 4 or 5 hours ago, so it was not bouncing down again, but there was a clear support here, I mean resistance, so it was going to bounce down. Still, I don't think it's going to go that low to retest this support again. I think it just will go down a little bit and then try to break this again in a balance of probabilities, but of course you don't know. It can go all the way down and break the support down. If that was the case, I would expect a big crash. If this support doesn't hold here, get ready. I'm gonna get ready to short the shit out of it, but I don't think it's gonna happen. If we have in consideration the hard forks coming soon and all that, I think we are in a bullish market, but you need to be prepared for both situations. So I had a little short here for Ethereum in a very small. It's only 2.7%, but because I use leverage on plus 500, I used 1 to 20 leverage. This 2.7% gain translates into a 50% gain. Still a small little trade, but there's reasons why you should not enter here, you know, because it's clearly is a higher high compared with the previous one. It goes down, but it doesn't matter. It's by probability it would bounce here, and if not, it would bounce in the second moving average, and it would still be uptrending because it would be higher highs and higher lows, or higher high and same level low. So you don't want to enter short here. I only entered it here, even though it was a small one. It's because it broke support, went back up to retest, and it rejection again. So it was very likely it was going to go down from there. The bad thing about plus 500 is that you pay very large spreads. So I opened my trade here, but by the time you pay the spread, your trade opens all the way down here. So my percentage was 2.7% gain in 2 hours. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 candles. So in a couple of hours, these are the hourly candles to make this percent, but with leverage 1 to 20 is it's still a good profit. So I have here my plus 500 account. So yeah, that was my trade for Ethereum. You can see the opening rate was 307 and the closing rate is 299, so it's exactly as I have it here on the chart. What else? Bitcoin. So this is a chart for Bitcoin, 1 hour candle from Bitrex, because I trade in Bitrex, so I'm going to show this chart. As I said in my previous video, I bought my last entry for Bitcoin. It was at 4,800. I will show you now on my account, and then it went up I didn't take my profit, and I didn't want to buy here because the percentage was not big enough. I would buy a deeper dip if anything, but then when we started going down, you need to protect yourself and use a stop loss. So I had my stop loss, which is not a loss anymore, it's just a stop, an automatic sell. It was a sell on profit for 5,400, as you can see here in the blue number. And so my automatic sell was triggered. I took some profits here. Of course, you don't sell everything at once, but if I bought at 4.8 and I sell at 5.4, you can do the math yourself. And then I bought a little bit more Bitcoin. I mean, the same amount actually, for 5.3, which is not a big, it's not a big percent, but you want to be what you want to do is play it safe. So I just flipped the Bitcoins for $100 different between per Bitcoin, because I sold at 5.4 and I rebought at 5.3. So, and now we're bouncing back up and we are already at 5.6 again, and I expect to break the all-time high. So I'm still holding. I lowered my average cost because if I was buying at 4.8, sold at 5.4, and then bought back in at 5.3, it means now it represents that I bought for a little bit less than 4.8. So, and you can see this on my Bittrex account. I showed all my movements in one of my recent videos. These were all my last movements, and these two are new since that last video that I made. So I had a limit sell, as you can see here, for 5,400, and a limit buy here for 5,300. I had and as you can see, all my limit buys before that here. I started buying on the 9th of October, and as I said, I bought a lot for 4.6. so you can see one buy at 4.630, another buy at 4.578, another buy at 4.576. so it's more or less it's more or less 4,600, a little bit less to be fair, so it's even better. And then only one buy at 4.8 and another buy bought very little at 5.2. So you can see my movements here. There's nothing more, nothing less. That's how you flip it, and that's how you make profit when markets actually move. I also bought, I commented on this on one recent video, I bought Bitconnect on the 9th of October as well. I paid 149 per Bitconnect. We are back to almost $200 again per Bitconnect. I did a loan of $1,010 on Bitconnect. They have been paying me. It's all good, but most of you already know that. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. You can see that people is actually getting paid on Bitconnect. I don't think this is gonna go away anytime soon, but of course I could be wrong. That's why I invested very little, only $1,000 just to test it. It's all working okay. Maybe I will decide to put more, maybe I won't, but for now I have a $1,000 loan. Have been getting my interest every single day, and everything I get from my interest I converted back into Bitconnect, into the Bitconnect coin. So this is growing my money as well. So guys, I'm doing great. This is a great time to make money. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down. You can make money both ways. What's important is that's not going sideways, and it's not showing weakness. It's now it's when it becomes easy to time the market, whether it goes up or down. Guys, I'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.